Hey everyone, welcome back to another keto mukbang. Today I'm doing eggs, hash, and cauliflower. Welcome everybody, good to see all of you. I'm excited to come back at you with another mukbang here. This one can be ate for breakfast or dinner. I'm doing it for dinner tonight. And I am so busy, so I'm not even going to recommend any movies right now because I've got a lot going on. So I hope you guys will understand. I'm still trying to squeeze in videos here and there for you guys, but I'm just super busy, about to leave. So a couple more days and I will be moved. So just thought I would do one more mukbang at my old place. And what I got here is hash that you get, just corned beef hash that you get like in those cans. I get mine from Aldi's. You can get it pretty much anywhere, but you know, it comes in those cans that you have to unscrew. I have a picture and a little slideshow at the end, just a real quick one because it's really easy to make this. But anyway, so you just open up a can of that, and there's 6 servings in one can, and for one serving, it's less than a carb. So I've got 2 servings here, so it'd be 1 carb for that, 1 for the eggs, and 3 for the cauliflower. So I got 5 carbs here, right? 1, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 carbs. And I just did the cauliflower, the frozen bag that you just put in the microwave. I added a little bit of butter and some Parmesan cheese. Now, yes, this is a very high fat, so save this for a high fat day or if you're in maintenance mode, because obviously corned beef is really, high in fat, especially in those cans, but they are very low carb. That's what I love about it. And then you can have your eggs over your hash. Awesome. You could even have switched out the cauliflower here and got the cauliflowered rice and even put that with it, mixed it through the corned beef. Gosh, I can't talk tonight. With the corned beef, you could have mixed it through like that, and then you would have had almost like a corned beef hash because you would have had like the potatoes in it too. So, but I didn't have any of that, so I just did it like this, and I was in the mood for cauliflower. So, and then I'm just doing my Power 80, which would add another carb to it. So if I drink the whole thing, so you're looking at 6 carbs then. But yeah, it's pretty high in fat, so be careful with that. Outfit of the day today, so I always like to try to do a video, but it will be my last mukbang that you will see here. Of course, the last video that you've seen of me explaining the outfit and doing the catwalk and all that was my last video here in this house. So this is the last mukbang, I think. I may do 1 or 2 more, but I think this is the last one. So, I've been eating so much cauliflower rice and the mashed cauliflower that I thought, you know what? I gotta bake this. I'm like, I want chunks of cauliflower this time. Very good. Now I did my eggs runny, but I do like to flip mine. So most of the time I do them over hard, but these would be I don't know if they would call them over easy because they do have the yolk. I just don't like mine snotty, so I like them. Sorry, didn't mean to sound rude there. I just don't like them to be, I like them runny, but I don't like them to have any of the clear, liquid like in there. But I wanted it like that. So let's break these open. You see that over the hash? Yum. Ooh, this is gonna be good. And like I said, you could have made this meal a complete hash by adding the cauliflowered rice through the corned beef. So look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Yum. Oh, that is good. I have not had corned beef in so long. I used to make this all the time, and I looked the other day when I was there and I saw a can and I thought, wow, I forgot that this was really low carb. So it says on there less than 1 carb per serving. So I've got like a serving to a serving and a half maybe of the can or whatever. So I've got like 1 to 1.5 carbs for that, and then of course 1 for your egg. This is definitely a maintenance mode meal because we can eat higher fat. But definitely if you are still trying to lose, use this for a dirty keto day. So good. Brings me back to the memories of like when you go out to like those old-fashioned kitchens and they do the corned beef hash and the eggs over it. Yum. Now, I've done a video before on a recipe that Monica had came up with to do corned beef. I mean, to do a hash, and it was with the cauliflower rice and the heavy cream and like cheese, and there was a couple other things. I have a video on that. And I did the eggs with that, and that was really good, but I was really craving corned beef because I heard somebody the other day mention corned beef, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm going to get a can of it and do it like this. Delicious. It's just amazing we can eat this way and maintain weight. It is just unbelievable. I still, to this day, almost 3 years in, cannot believe I can eat like this and stay the same weight just because we are eliminating the carb. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, I just want to give you a bite. It's so good. And I don't like to do a lot of seasoning, and I try to explain this to people. You don't want to do a lot of seasoning because it can kick you out of keto. Seasonings, even though they say 0, they have carbs. So I'm just a person that really uses just salt, and salt's really good on keto because we are doing, this diet is a diuretic diet, so it's always good to have your salt in there. And I just use like a pink Himalayan or sea salt. Those are the best ones to use. So just salt, and then I do dash a little bit of pepper, but be very careful with pepper because pepper does have carbs. So very little. I used to put so much pepper on everything before keto. I love lots of pepper, but I've learned that there's a lot of carb in it, so I just do a little bit. I am so exhausted, you guys. I've been just doing so much moving and boxing things up, and just, oh, I'm exhausted. And I will be moved over to my brother's. By the time you get this video, I think I'll already be over there. I think I will. But anyways, I won't completely be out of this place yet because, of course, I still have cleaning and more boxing up to do and stuff like that. So, you know, I'm going to be keeping this place open for a little while longer or whatever. But officially, I'll be living with him. I think by the time you see this video, I'll already be in there. And then I'll go back and forth and be cleaning up this place here. I'm getting it ready because, I mean, you guys are probably thinking, well, there's still so much stuff up on the walls and everything. So I got a whole month or so to do all that. So I usually recommend a movie and watch a movie. Like I said, I'm so busy, but I'll just recommend a movie to you guys. Last night I was watching, I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's not a new one. It's been out for a little while. But that Derailed with Jennifer Aniston and I forget the other actor. It's like right in front of me and I can't see it. Maybe if I put my glasses on, I can read who it is. Clive. Oh, is it Clive? Clive Owen and Jennifer Aniston, called Derailed. Great movie. If you haven't seen that one, definitely look into that. That is definitely a thriller, and will definitely shock you if you haven't seen it. What happens in there? It's just, it'll blow you away. It's really a great movie. I just seen it last night. I've seen it before, but I watched it last night. So I seen it sitting across from me. I thought I would recommend that one for you. Derailed. Very good movie. It's one of those movies that it does. If you haven't seen it, it does. It shocks you at the end what happens. I love movies like that. And if you've already seen it, see it again. Definitely a great movie. At Jennifer Aniston, she is so beautiful. I like her as an actress. Doesn't it look good, you guys? Oh my gosh, and you got to do the eggs yolky like that. Now, I didn't add any salt, a lot of salt to this because the hash is the corned beef is very salty. So a little bit to my eggs, just a tiny bit, and then some to the cauliflower, but not a lot because you'll notice this is really salty. Oh my God, I was craving this so bad. Like, somebody had mentioned they were making corned beef, like an actual corned beef, like in the oven or crock pot. I don't know how they were cooking it, but somebody had mentioned it, and I was like, oh, corned beef. And then when I was in the store the other day getting my tuna and my chicken, it was like sitting right there. And I went, oh my gosh, I'm going to look on the can to see what the carb is on it. And I looked and it was so low. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I used to eat this all the time and I loved it. I'm grabbing it. I'm having eggs and corned beef. And one day I'm gonna do it for you guys with the I'll add in the riced cauliflower and show you. You do yourself, but I'll show you what it looks like with that in it, because then you got your true corned beef hash. And I've been doing so many greens that I just wanted something different. Always good to get your greens in, but I just love cauliflower too. And I thought, I've done so many greens. I'm going to take one day to have cauliflower, and I want big chunks of it this time. And I love adding Parmesan to pretty much everything. I love it on my veggies. That's a really good one for you guys to add on your veggies without the butter. Just add the Parmesan because it gives you flavor. And it's not taking a lot of, you know, along with the carb that it has, it won't add anymore when you're adding all that seasoning. So just add Parmesan to give it flavor and stuff like that. It's really good that way. But this meal here, I've added butter. I've got the corned beef here. They have full eggs with the yolk. Definitely a high fat day. But again, only 5 carbs here. So definitely a meal you can have on your dirty keto day. And I recommend people do that once in a while, you know, so it doesn't get so boring for you. And it'll kind of spike things up a little bit for you to have a high-fat day, keeping the carb low, and then the next day you're back for, you know, 6, 8 more days or whatever before you have another one. It's kind of good to, you know, kind of shock your system like that. It ain't going to make you gain any weight, so that's the good thing. You just may not lose that day. But we don't lose every day anyways, right? Oh, this is so good. I was seriously craving this. Last bite. Of course, it is better to eat real corned beef because that in a can is going to be more processed now, but it's okay once in a while. Quick, easy breakfast, quick, easy dinner, and you will please your family. Don't tell me your husband wouldn't like that with the eggs over it like that. So good. Yum. I dropped a little piece, but my mini will find it. So, I know I'm done eating, but I should have asked you guys, how are you guys doing? Sorry, I'm just so out of it because I've just been so tired and been so busy and so much going on. I apologize I didn't ask how you guys are doing. I hope you guys are doing well. You could probably see in that mirror back there. I'm not sure if you can, but that couch is loaded back there with all the boxes from the salon. The salon's all tore down, so when I did my outfit, I didn't have that background anymore, so I explained that in my toe design that it would be gone. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Again, this is a higher fat keto meal, so keep this for a dirty keto day or for maintenance mode, but definitely enjoy it throughout your journey. Very delicious, and you can just buy it in those cans. I have a picture that you'll see at the end, so you'll know what I'm talking about. And throw some eggs over it. I did 2 eggs for a man, do 4 if they need it, you know. But it was absolutely delicious, so definitely try this meal out, enjoy it, and, you know, have fun, because keto really, really is fun. It's not something you can't do when you're trying to lose too. You can enjoy this meal once in a while. So anyways, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification so you don't miss any videos. Link down in this box. I do have another channel, AngelsHeavenlyNailz, where I load nails, toes, and outfits of the day. That's all I load in there. Here I load all of that plus my keto stuff, but eventually once that channel is bigger, so if you could help that channel to grow, then I will only do keto on this channel. So, but anyways, hope you guys had a wonderful week. And God bless all of you. Thank you for your prayers and your kind thoughts and words. I appreciate all of it. So I love you guys very much. God bless and take care. And always remember to keep it keto.